Huh. Hello guys, this is Mohammed Mujahid and I'm here to explain about the Linux. This video is going to become to be a for Linux operating system where I'm going to show you what is Linux and how Linux commands is work and what are the basic commands, and I will also explain about the intermediate level and also the advanced level. So let's start the video. And first, before going to Linux, we will connect our instance through the bash script where our PEM key is downloaded. So my PEM key is downloaded in downloads, and I will open the bash over there, and I will paste the SSH over there. Here you can see my instance is connected to the bash script git bash, and let's start doing some commands. Before some commands, I want to explain about the Linux. What is Linux? Linux is open source operating system, hmm, which is inspired by the Unix operating system, and the Linux has multiple flavor, which is called as Kali Linux, SUSE Linux, and Red Hat Linux, and Ubuntu Linux, and Amazon Linux as well. So right now I'm using Amazon Linux. So why Linux is used? Because of Linux is very secure as compared to other operating systems, and Linux is open source where multiple users can be logging at the same period of time, and so it is more scalable and high availability. We can see in the Linux operating system. So these are the main reason why the Linux operating system is used to run. So let's here you can see I have made some notes on the Linux, and I have made some scripts based upon the topics. Package management commands is there where we can easily install or set up our packages. For an example, as you can see in this script, I am installing the Nginx server, Nginx, and the Java version, the Java 17th version in this. So these are the scripts where I have already made build and push to my central repository. So let's execute one by one. So before moving to the script, I will show you how the individual commands run. So first of all, we will switch to root user. As you can see over there, we are in a regular user. Here is a dollar sign. So we are moving to the root user. So to create a user, we have a command user add techie. So we have successfully created techie user. So if I want to make a password for techie, so there is a command called passwd techie. Sorry. Hmm. So here you can see I'm writing some passwords. So password is successfully generated. So if you want to see the list of the users, there is a command called cat slash tc slash passwd. Sorry, we made a mistake. Cat slash tc slash passwd. This is the command to check the users list, where you can see there is a user which is created recently. Inside the home directory, we created this techie. So if we want to switch to techie user, there is a command called su techie. So here you can see techie. We have successfully switched to the techie user. And if you want to make any task or set up anything, so you won't be able to because you haven't added this techie user to the sudoers user. So let's make an example. We try to install a package and install nginx, which is not able to because access is currently directly moving to. So we can't able to execute these commands before move before adding this user as a sudo user. So as you can see, I will delete this user. So which is user del. There is a command called user del techie. So we have deleted the user. So we will check it whether it is deleted or not. So there is no techie user is available now because we have successfully deleted this user. So now I will execute the task. As you can see, we have basics from basic level to advanced level. In basic, I am creating. You are able to see my script over there where I am creating this user and also I am creating the group over there. And let's execute this script in my own server. We will move to the scripts. This is my directory which I have created recently. So let's delete this all files. Now we will create a new file for to run this script, which is called user.sh vi users.sh. Here I will paste this script and I will exit from this by saving this. Now we have saved the script inside the user.sh file. So to run this script, you have to add the permission to this file, which is there is a command to add a permission. chmod 755 will be the permission which I am going to give to this particular file user.sh. So as you can see, I have successfully given the permission to this file. Now I am able to run this script. This is a command dot forward slash is a command to run a script. So as you can see, user and group is successfully created. So it asks me for the password here. So let's see does the user is created or not. Slash etc slash pass wd. Here you can see the DevOps user is created. There is a so now check the group is created or not. So there is a command to check get end group DevOps group. So here you can see the DevOps group is available, which is inside the DevOps group there is a user is available which is called as DevOps user. So let me clear the screen. Now we will execute another script, which is package management. We have a package management script I have created where I am setting the Nginx and also the Java 17th version. For an example, if I am setting the Apache Tomcat server in this server, I have to install this Java 17th version. So let's run the script package.sh vi package.sh. So here my system got stuck. That's why it's not working. Let's go again. Basic level. Here you can see copy the raw. I have copied the script and paste it over there. As you can see, I am setting the Nginx server and also the Java version and enabling the Nginx. So let's execute. Let me save this file and let's give permission 755 package. So now we are able to run this script package. Now you can see Nginx and Java is successfully installed. Okay, so let's check the status of Nginx. There is a command called systemctl status Nginx. Here you can see Nginx is active and running. Okay, control C. Sorry. So the package management script I have shown and permissions. We have a permissions script I have also created. So let's execute this script. Let me copy and .sh. As you can see, which users is already created. I'm adding the permissions to the user particular users. So you can see the group name and username. So let's execute. So chmod giving the permission. Okay. So successfully done. Verified permissions is verified. Set permissions to 27770. Read write execute permission has been given to the group owner and group. Now we will move forward to the another script, which is system. Here you can see I have created a script where I am checking the information CPU utilization and free -h, which is used to check the free memory of the operating system of the server, and df-h to see the disk utilization by human readable. So let's execute this script as well. System dot sh. Sorry, I'm forgetting vi system dot sh hyphen I. Now let me paste the script. As you can see, so let me give the permission 755 system. Okay, let's run this script. Huh. Here you can see it is giving the information of the kernel and the Linux, and it is also giving the IP addresses. So you are able to see the information which is given below by executing this script. Okay, here what is my memory usage, what is my size of the memory, all the details is available over there. So this is the easiest way to check by using these scripts. So let's move to the intermediate level. We have intermediate level as well. So just a moment. 16 minutes. Automation script I have created over there, where I'm just restarting the service and installing the service. So let's execute this. Vi automation dot sh. Here you can see. Let's exit and give the permission 755. Huh. So the script is successfully run. So I think we made a mistake. We have to edit this file. For an example, I haven't give the name of the service. So let's keep the name. Okay. Let's run this script now. Sorry. Let me clear the screen. Okay. Again it shows the service. So now move to the another script which is backup, and also we have log management script and monitoring performance script, as you can see. So let me go through with this. I have a cron script is created. I have created the cron script. So vi cron dot sh. Let's execute this script as well. As you can see, I have set some time for checking the logs in every 2 minutes. So let's execute. So let's run. Here you can see installing cron for root. So the time is also set up. Everything is fine. So this is showing this cron tab command not found. This is not important because the reason which why we are creating the cron is already successfully done. Now here you can see the result. So let's run another script. Let me clear the screen, which is log management. This is a script for log management. So let me create a file called log.sh. So here, so chmod 7. Here you can see log.sh. Let's run this script. Here you can see deleting log files older than 7 days. I have made the script that the log files which is older than 7 days should be deleted. Old log removed, successfully removed. So let's move to another script, monitoring performance. I think we have already executed this script. So automation is also done. Cron is also done. Monitoring is not done, I think. So let's execute this vi monitoring.sh. These are the these are the commands for to check the free memory. We have free -h, which is human readable, and top command. Let's execute the script chmod 755 monitoring. So here you can see I have given the permission to the monitoring.sh file. Let's execute the script monitoring.sh. So here you can see the result. It is showing the process ID and CPU and memory. Everything is available in this. So it shows the 55 lines because I have run the script based on this only, because we are not able to see the whole lines. So that's all. So now move to the third level, which is advanced level. Let's see. Sorry. Hmm. Here you can see we have three files for systemd service to creating a systemd file. So let's execute vi systemd.sh. Now I'm pasting this. Let me save this script, and as you know, we have to give the permission to this file system d dot sh. Okay. Now you can see I have successfully given the permission. Let's run the script system dot sh. Hmm. So here you can see the symlink is created in the location slash etc slash systemd and then system. My app dot service file is created. Okay, so let's move to another script which is ssh. SSH we use for passwordless authentication, and for remote connection we use SSH command. So let me clear the screen. So let me make another file which is called as ssh vissh.sh. Here I will paste the script. Let me copy this. Hmm, okay. Okay, here you can see. So let's run this script. What is it? It is showing SSH hardening applied, password login disabled. So as you can see, the script is successfully run, but because of the password login, we are not able to see the result of this. So if you want to check the either the script is run or not, we have a command called echo dollar question mark, which will show you question mark. Hmm. Either your script is run or not, your previously executed command is successfully run or not, it will show. So here you can see echo dollar question mark. It is showing 127, right? It shows 127 because previously we have entered the invalid command which is not available. So because of this, it shows 127. If the command is successfully run and the script is successfully run, it will show 0. So here you can see 0 because the previously used command is echo dollar question mark and it is successfully run. Because of this, again it's showing 0. So now move back to the topic. We have another, I have already created another script for the installing of my app. So let me copy this and make a file of my app.sh. So my app is not permission, is not given the permission. Let's give the permission to the my app file. Here you can see. Let's run the script .sh. So here you can see the logs of my apps. Creating new states is over there, and patterns if you want to force. So now this is how the operating system, Linux operating system works, and which are the commands it takes, and what are the commands to run the scripts